today we are going to talk about the group cruises that Gordon and I have just barely planned, barely made for 2024. And so I'm really excited to share this news with you. Hi there, this is Allison with Let's Go Travel Tips, and just as a point of reference, today is January 11th of 2023, but this is going to, video is hopefully going to help a lot of you for a long time if you are at all interested in coming with us and visiting some really amazing places. So I want to start off by letting you know that we already have some group cruises planned that I'm really excited about. If you look at the Holland America sailing for May 27th of 2023 on the Eurodom, round trip out of Seattle to Alaska, a lot of times it shows that it's sold out, but I still do have some group space left. Be aware that on that sailing they have changed. When we first booked it, we thought we were going to get to go to Glacier Bay and Icy Strait Point. Holland America has just changed that. Glacier Bay and Icy Strait Point are no longer offered, but the Hubbard Glacier is offered, and so we get to have 3 hours of scenic cruising there at the Hubbard Glacier. If you haven't visited the Hubbard Glacier yet, nope, she's not Glacier Bay, but the sail in to where she is just spectacular, and that glacier is absolutely beautiful. It is so beautiful. It is absolutely comparable, if not even better. It is bigger than the glaciers that you see close in Glacier Bay. So it is not a shabby replacement, but I just wanted to make sure that you know about that. So if you decide you would like to come with us, send me an email. Would love to have you. And then we've also still got some space on our In Search of the Northern Lights. That one goes on October 4th of 2023. It's a round trip out of Southampton. And the whole thing is we are going up into the Arctic Circle. We've got an overnight in Alta, Norway to see the Northern Lights. I am so excited about that. So anyway, I'm very excited about both cruises. So those are the two that are coming up in 2023. So I just wanted to let you know in case you would like to come with us. Now the new ones that Gordon and I have added are to the British Isles and to Egypt and Israel. Now, before I tell you that, let me first start telling you my approach to group cruises. I've said this before, but as I announce these itineraries, I think it's really important that you know that my envisioning, the reason that I want to do a group cruise is because I love the opportunity to meet with you. You people, as I've said before, are my people, and I know that I will thoroughly enjoy visiting with you. We can share our travel experiences. We can share what we do during the day when we are on the cruise. I think that we're going to have some amazing friendships built. I feel like I know a lot of you already from reading your comments, receiving your emails. Some of you I am fortunate enough to get to talk on the phone and help you with your travel, but I think it'll be really wonderful to get to go together. I think it'll be even funner than just going Gordon and I by ourselves, and so that's how we got to this point. At the same point, I want you to know that I am not a person that thinks you have to be with us all the time. If you just want to book the group cruise with us so that you get that extra onboard credit and you don't even say hi on the ship, that is okay, and my feelings will not be hurt. If you want to eat with us very often, we'd love to have you. And if you want to eat by yourself, I get it, and like a mix of that. And come to get-togethers when we have them, and not when you would like, and not when you don't. So there's just a lot of. I just want you to know we're very flexible. We are really flexible. So with having said that, and then the other caveat that I always have for you: if any of our children say we're getting a new grandchild, that comes first. I don't know how many more children any of our children are thinking of having, but I just feel like I have to tell you that. So first of all, we are two more. So in January of 2024, we've got our Antarctica cruise, and then in April we've got our the Total Eclipse cruise, round trip out of Los Angeles, and that one is sold out. Like, it is sold out. I think I can trade out one spot. Someone is canceling, and I asked the groups department to hold it. So if you want that cruise, like, email me right away and I will try to get it for you, but that one is sold out. And so other than that, we are going to go ahead, and on June 8th of 2024, we have booked, Gordon and I of course already booked it, the 12-day British Isle cruise. It is round trip out of Southampton, and I am really excited. I have not been on a British Isles cruise yet. So we have been to the British Isles. We have sailed out of Southampton, and we have driven over from London. I've been to London 4 or 5 times now, and then we have driven over to Wales, driven around. I want to do a little bit more of that. But anyway, I've not done the British Isles cruise. And so let me tell you the itinerary really quick so that you have a really good idea. It is a really good itinerary. And let me tell you that both of the cruises that we have booked are very, very port intensive itineraries. And so I don't even think we would have dinner together every evening, or else have some, or later, after, later, because we're in port so much. But anyway, first of all, but we'll have lots of chances to visit. Don't be worrying about that. But I just felt like I should tell you that. So we leave on Saturday, June 8th out of Southampton. You get a sea day. Then Monday, we're in Cork, Ireland, and that's from 7 in the morning until 6 p.m. The very next day, we are in Dublin, Ireland. Be aware that one is a water shuttle required there, 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. I love that. So you get lots of time to see lots. Then the next day you are in Belfast, Northern Ireland, 7 a.m. to 9 p.m. Don't you love that? Thursday the 13th you're in Glasgow, Scotland, from 8 a.m. until 6 p.m. And then Friday you get a sea day. Then Saturday you are in the Orkney Islands, Kirkwall, Scotland. That's from 7 in the morning until 6 p.m. Sunday you are in Invergordon, Scotland, from 7 in the morning until 6 p.m. Monday the 17th you are in Edinburgh, Scotland, from 8 a.m. until 7 p.m. Then that Tuesday is your sea day, and then the next day you are you're at the Port of Le Havre there, and you can go into Paris, you can go down to Normandy. Absolutely extraordinary. That one's from 7 in the morning until 8 p.m. and then Thursday you are back in Southampton. So you've got this 12-day cruise with just 3 sea days. Sorry, just 3 sea days. So there's so much to see. I think it's really important. The reason that I like to plan things in advance like this is so that we can plan on it, because I think honestly if you don't plan life, it just passes you by. The days will come and you won't have anything planned. But also, like, it's a good thing to know how to arrange your finances to save your money for the cruise and to save money for excursions, because there is going to be so much to see here. I am really, really excited. My family on my father's side hails from northern Scotland, so I can't tell you how excited I am to get to go there. So, and all of you who have already done a British Isles cruise, please do. Give us your input, give us your experience, tell us what you loved, what you didn't, and it will help all of us plan a better trip. Now, the other really exciting cruise that we have got planned, and I know you've been waiting on me to pick these days, is we are planning a celebrity group cruise October 1st of 2023 to Israel and Egypt. And it is actually called 10 Nights, Israel, Egypt, and the Mediterranean. It's round trip from Athens. It's on the Celebrity Silhouette. And I booked this cruise because I really, really, really want to go to Israel, and I really want to go to Egypt. And so let me tell you the itinerary and then some of the thoughts that I have got that we could do as a group, or just things to think about and start thinking about with this. So first of all, the Tuesday, October 1st is a Tuesday that we sail out of Athens, and then you get to that Wednesday is a sea day, which is super nice so that you can finish getting acclimated to the time change if you haven't already been in Athens for a few days. And then on Thursday the 3rd, we pull into Ashdod, Jerusalem, and get there at 7 o'clock in the morning, and you are there overnight. So from Thursday morning at 7 a.m. until Friday night at 10 o'clock p.m. And then that very next morning on Saturday, we go to Haifa, Israel, from 6 a.m. until 7 p.m. I love that you get 3 whole days in Israel. Now let me tell you about 3 whole days in Israel. So the way Celebrity does it is you can just go on, celebrity excursions, and I would just feel most comfortable going with cruise line excursions in Israel, just because, I've not been to Israel, and there's a lot of security concerns there, of course, but so we can all just pick whichever excursion we want, or I also am really interested to see what the excursions are, and we can form as a group our own excursion, and it will still be with Celebrity. we can say where we want to go, and they'll put that together as a celebrity excursion, and then we can just go, which I really like, because I have been really looking forward to going to the Holy Land for a really long time, and I know what I want to see and the places that I want to get to go. And if you are anything like me, I want to go to see the places in the Bible. That's why I want to go. It's not going to change my faith, because I just know for sure, I know for sure that Jesus Christ lives and that he is our Savior and our Redeemer. And I don't have to go see Israel to know that. But I am really just interested to see the places and experience what it is like there. And so just wanted to tell you that that is a really fun option. So, like I said, we've got those 3 days in Israel, then we've got a day at sea, and then we get to Alexandria, Egypt. We get to Alexandria, Egypt on Monday, October 7th. We get there at 2 p.m., stay there overnight, and then we leave on Tuesday night, not till 10 p.m. So I am so excited to see Egypt. That's been on my bucket list forever. Then Wednesday is a sea day. Thursday we are in Ephesus. It's the port of Kushadasi there for Ephesus in Turkey. And then on Friday the 11th, we get back to Athens. And so this to me is like a dream come true. Now, let me tell you, I feel more comfortable booking this with the Prime Minister that Israel has right now. And I am going to keep an eye on what's going on there. And if I feel uncomfortable and worried about going, then I won't go. But I feel fine about doing it now. And I would expect that those of you would be in that same bucket. If there is a big change there and we feel like we shouldn't go, of course, I would not hold anyone to that. And the way that it works with a group is if you book, if we book it in the group, then you get your money back. You get a refund up until final payment. And so that gives us a lot of flexibility, because it doesn't sail until October 1st of 2024. If any of you want to go sooner, you can send me an email, and I am happy to help you get a cruise. They have got some, a couple of them. They only do like very few, like I want to say 3 or 4 every spring and every fall on Celebrity. And so there's no way I could make it work with my fall of 2023 or my spring of 2024. But if you want to go sooner, send me an email and I will help you get on a cruise to go sooner, because I would if I could. So let me know what your questions are. I really look forward to these an awful lot. If you've got questions, you're very welcome to send me an email, and I'll send you the pricing information, and I'll also I'm happy to answer any other questions you've got about Celebrity. As you know, I went on Celebrity and absolutely loved it. I know that, you know, we go on Princess here a lot on this channel. Princess doesn't have an itinerary like this. Celebrity is the most affordable way to go to Israel and Egypt, especially with this many days. Then you can do it on other cruise lines, but they're more expensive. And so this is the very best one that I could find, and I have looked at them all. So I just wanted to let you know that. That's why I picked it, and I did thoroughly enjoy Celebrity. The Silhouette is the same size of ship as the Reflection is that I was just on in December, and I thoroughly enjoyed that experience. And I know that it's amazing to me the different experiences that you can have on different ships, on different sailings, but my experience was really lovely and I really enjoyed it. So that's how we got where we are. I really appreciate all of you. If you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe. We'd love to have you with us. If you appreciate my videos, would you please give this one a thumbs up? And I will be talking to you all again really soon. You all take really good care. God bless you. Love you. Bye-bye.